Hello everyone. In today's tutorial, let us try to understand how text animation works in Blender. As can be seen, we have already imported a video for our demonstration. Our objective for this tutorial is to horizontally move the text over our video for a specified amount of time. For this, first go to Add, then click on Text. Towards the right, under Effect Strip, you can see text. Click on it and edit it as per your requirement. In this case, the video depicts a nature theme, hence we type the word nature in the text box. You may also change the size if you wish to. We also need to move the text strip on sequencer above the video strip so that the text is visible over the video and not hidden underneath. You can place the box anywhere on the channel to control the frame from which the text is displayed on the video. For now, we are keeping the text at the beginning of the video as an intro text. Note that we are using default font. You may use any font as per your requirement. The procedure for using different fonts is explained in previous video. Let us now dive into the animation. Adjust the position of playhead to the beginning of text strip. Go to Transform and change the values of position X to -1100. Now comes the tricky part. First, move your cursor anywhere and left-click. Now move back to position X till it is highlighted. Once it is highlighted, press I. This will set position X for animation. You will see that the color of the tab changes. This will ensure that at the start of animation the text is completely out of frame of video. Keep position Y at 0 as we want the text to be at center. Again, repeat the same steps as we did for position X. Now take the playhead to the last of text strip and change position X to 1100. Repeat same steps for animation. Change position Y to 0 and again repeat the steps. You may use fade in and out effect on this text. Click the play button or press space bar to play the video with text animation. You may also change the speed at which text moves. You may explore more by changing the values of Y also. Congratulations! You have learned an important concept on text animation in Blender.